In this Traveler TV, if you're ever looking for a recommendation on where to stay in Sedona, L'Auberge is almost always at the top of the list. And if you've stayed there before, it is definitely time to book another visit. Glenn Scarpelli, host of Traveler TV, is here, along with Colm O'Brien. He's the regional managing director of L'Auberge de Sedona. And they are here with a look at this expansion and renovation. Thank you both for being here today.
We love being here, Heidi. And I got to tell you, I just want to brag about my friend here for a moment.
Let's do it.
Yeah, because, you know, he runs this property so pristinely. You really do. I'm always so impressed. But L'Auberge, I want to say, is actually one of the most beautiful resorts on the planet, not just in Arizona. And it's exquisite, it's elevated, and it's beloved.
Yes, I mean, it's an Arizona icon, really. When you hear L'Auberge, we know it. So
absolutely.
Let's talk about this renovation. $30 million, so that's impressive. 11 to 20 acres. Colm, you guys have made some significant changes. Tell me what folks can expect up there now.
Yeah, it's absolutely an amazing product.
Yeah.
We're after converting 70 rooms. We double the size of L'Auberge from 88 rooms to about 158.
Wow.
So you've got 70 brand new rooms, all Red Rock views. That's the key, right?
Right.
Every single room has a Red Rock view. You know, you meander down from the rooms and you get onto the Vista Overlook. It's a really, really cool, expansive deck. Massive views, 300 degrees of just Red Rock views all over the place. And then you eventually get into what we call a really fun name called the Duck Pond.
Yeah, yeah.
Fabulous pool. You know, you're in the pool, there's a glass wall, you have no obstruction of the Red Rocks. It's crazy cool. And then we built a new bar, really fun menu, great cocktails, just a real cool, fun place to hang out. It's really cool.
Well, I love it. So you've mentioned in that the views. That is why people go to Sedona, those gorgeous views. And you say you have 200-degree views of the Red Rocks.
That's right.
I mean, no matter where you are on the property, it sounds like you're going to be able to take in all the beauty that Sedona has to offer. But that's not all. All the rooms have balconies.
That's right.
So you can sit out there, you know, go down to the pool, have some social time, and then go back up and have some quiet time.
Yes. Right now we're looking at some of the VIP cabanas.
Yes.
The VIP cabanas are fantastic. Talk a little bit about the products.
So it's not really just a pool, right? You've got 4 standard cabanas, 4 VIP cabanas. I mean, we really do schmooze you when you come into the pool.
Yeah.
It's real VIP treatment. We've got a skincare line. We've got, you know, real dedicated service. It's a really expanded service at the pool. Again, it's the whimsical name of Duck Pond. You know, it's a fun environment and just really great stuff. It's a great team up there as well. The team is spectacular.
Well, I can tell. I mean, you run a pretty tight ship. I mean, you're not going to let it.
And I also want to brag about the weddings.
Yeah, we can't talk about Sedona. That's a destination for a lot of people to get married.
It is, and this place in particular, because you have both creek frontage and Red Rock views.
I love it.
It's the creme de la creme for outdoor space. Every single angle in this resort is an opportunity for just a memory photo. It's just gorgeous.
I love it. I mean, these pictures are stunning,
yes.
No matter where you have your photos taken for your wedding. We can't talk about Sedona, though, without talking about the food, and you guys are hitting it out of the park there, too.
Yeah, we have great restaurants. I mean, starting with our crest, it's along the creek. The only waterfront flowing creek restaurant, I believe, in Sedona. Fabulous food. It's very elevated fine dining. Then you get up to Duck Pond, which is the fun environment, and then just finally at 89 Agave, it's really spectacular. Mexican cantina. Great food, great environment, great entertainment. It's just a real fun vibe.
And with this expansion, really quickly, you guys are able to host more groups from Phoenix. You have some great partnerships down here, but this is really a destination for a special anniversary. I mean, for people who really want a memorable stay in Sedona, this sounds like it's it.
That you are absolutely correct. You know, we are attracting more business now. The fact that we're so big.
Yeah.
You know, again, we're catering to big groups, small groups. You know, even intimate affairs. It's just really we cater for all business kind of opportunities at this point.
I love it. It's beautiful.
And we're going to get you up there.
We're going to get me up there. I got to go.
Heidi's coming.
All right. Thanks so much, you guys. If you would like to book your stay, here's a Traveler TV exclusive special offer. If you book and stay by March 31st of 2026, you can stay 2 nights and get the 3rd night free. Some restrictions may apply. Use promo code ABC15 at L'Auberge.com.